Ago, I was standing in this exact same position asking for your trust to be your next BAC counselor. And I'm really thankful because you gave me the opportunity to be part of BAC 2015 and to serve you as your finance and marketing counselor in the 3 semesters of this academic year. More than a year has passed and a lot of things already happened since then. Now, I am again in front of you in this podium asking once again for your trust to be your next BAC Vice Chairperson. A lot of you might be wondering, why BAC and why Vice Chair? I will proceed by answering the first question, why BAC? To be perfectly honest, upon entering college, even during my freshman orientation program, I really had no plans of joining council due to a lot of factors, which include my parents, for instance, and family. Back then, I never saw myself as part of the BAC family. However, as the famous saying goes, the only constant thing in this world is change. And as time progressed, I would say that I fell in love with council. I applied as Marketing Council Associate during the 2nd semester of my freshman year and ran as Sophie Batchet after. But unfortunately, the odds were not in my favor. A year after, I ran as your BAC counselor, and as mentioned, fortunately, I was given the chance to be part of the council family. Being part of council for more than a year allowed me to grow figuratively, and some of you might say literally. But more than that, my love for council developed into passion. Indeed, BAC has been my first love in college. And just like any other forms of first love, this love for council shall never die. BAC gave me a second home. It is in BAC where I was given the chance to work with the best people. It is in BAC where I found my closest and best friends. And it is in BAC, most importantly, where I was able to deliver genuine service to all our stakeholders, which include not only the students, but most importantly, the administration and staff, and even extends to outside and external entities. It is in BAC where I found the love to actually serve who we stand for. It is now the passion, and it's now this passion that will propel me to go further. If people would ask me now why council, my answer would be, it used to be love. But now, it's more than just love. It's now the passion to spread that same love that propelled my heart for the same love to be felt by all CPAers. Because I would say that the feeling is but wonderful. Yes, just like love, it might be exhausting and could be painful and depressing at times. But admit it or not, this is what makes the entire journey exciting and challenging. Now, why Vice Chair? Being part of different organizations that compose the Business League, I saw how each of these organizations possess different qualities and expertise in their respective fields of business, which is something that I believe should be proud of and should be celebrated. I personally believe that the Business League has a very huge potential, and I would like to believe that being relatively young, this premier business community is still in the development and growth stage, and I would like to be part of that development process. I want to focus my efforts to ensure that at the end of this 3rd year, the Business League will have a solid and concrete branding. Throughout the entire campaign period, a lot of people would always ask me to define crystallize. Indeed, it is not something that you'll hear in a normal conversation. And that is something that I want for the Business League. I want the Business League to go further and to go beyond the limits, to transcend the boundaries, and to go and even extend to greater heights. I want the Business League to become a crystal that would shine and that everyone would admire by the end of its 3rd year. So refresh, reinforce, and crystallize. Let's solidify the Business League and let's vote for John Soriano, your next BAC Vice Chairperson.